There were sages who were sitting there and they reasoned, why does this man speak blasphemy? Blasphemy is insult. This is an insult against God that he can forgive sins. Who can forgive sins but Yehovah only? Immediately, Yeshua perceived in his spirit that they reasoned so within themselves, and he said, why are you thinking this in your heart? What is easier to say? Your sins are forgiven you, or arise, take up your bed and walk. But just so that you understand, I have the authority from heaven to forgive sins. I want you to be completely clear on this, you religious leaders. I have the authority. So I'm telling this man right now, get up, pick up this bed, and walk. Get it out of here. And immediately he rose up. He picked up his bed and went forth before them all. They were all completely amazed and glorified Yehovah, saying, we have never, ever seen anything like this before. From beginning to end, these men just destroyed this house. They let this man down. Yeshua says, your sins are forgiven. Why did he have this disease? Obviously, because of sin in his life. What is sin? It's a violation of the Torah. He may have been an Orthodox Pharisee, Orthodox Judaism. You know, today, black hat, pales, strimal, davening at the wall. He could have been following every rule and regulation of the Pharisees, but because of their addition and subtraction of the Torah that Yeshua is constantly confronting them with, he says, your sins are forgiven you. You have been in violation of the Torah. Now, as he says to others, go and sin no more. And they said, wait, who? This is an insult against God. And he said, no, I want you to understand this. I have the authority on earth to forgive sins. This is my prerogative, and I can do it.